there, it's Manal from Boutique. Thank you for watching my video today. Today I'm going to start a series of 7 back-to-back projects which are going to be made using 6x6 paper. And I was thinking to start off with series for so long, but in between a lot of projects were pipelined that I couldn't get a chance to just post these up. And finally I have begun and have made all the projects for this series, and it's going to be a back-to-back series. It means that every day you're going to get a new project, and it's going to be for 7 days. It means 7 days and 7 projects. Each project is going to use 6x6 paper. So and each project is going to be either a card or a bag, and it's going to focus mainly on gift packaging ideas and Thanksgiving idea. And you can use these projects for any of the purposes. For example, if there are guests coming over, you can even use them to decorate your Christmas trees. As you know that Christmas is approaching, and it's November has already begun. So today I'm going to show you, this is going to be the first project, and it is this cute little cube box which is lidded, and it is a 2 inches box. And over here I have made it for birthday, but you can obviously change the sentiment, change the theme of the papers, and you can make it in any theme. It is quite a spacious box, and you can fit in a piece of jewelry maybe, or some chocolates. Hershey's Kisses would go best in it, or Ferrero Rocher. So it depends entirely upon you. And let me just quickly walk you through the things that we need for this. We are going to need ribbon, papers, and some cardstock for the box. So let me first of all show you the collection which I'm using. I'm using this gorgeous honeybee collection from Peppy Scrappy, and they have gorgeous papers, and it's quite a good strength paper. It resembles the cardstock, and the best thing about them is that they are double-sided. So if on one side you have this print, you have another print on the other side. I'm going to paste the direct link in the description box below. I just love the lush yellow color. It just makes the project look so pretty. And you can see here's the polka dots, here are the waves in white and yellow. These are the pretty hexagons which I believe resemble to the beehive. And over here, look how pretty this is. All the beehives, they're so pretty. This is the same one, and you can see the colors are different, but the print is same. And over here, that's a simple checkered design. So for the box that I have already made, I have used this sheet of paper, and the one which I'm going to make now, I have used this one, and on the back side it has this one. So I have used different colors, you can say. I will paste the link in the description box below. So let's just begin with the project. So for this, for the base, first of all, you're going to need a piece of cardstock which measures 6 by 6 inches. If you do not want to make the way I am making, you can just exchange the pattern paper and the cardstock for base and the cover lid. I'm going to make the base in plain cardstock, but the lid is going to be of pattern paper. If you want to, you can make the box out of pattern paper and the lid out of the plain cardstock. So for the base or for the box, you're going to take the paper 6 by 6 and you're going to score it at 2 inches on all 4 sides. This box is pretty quick to make, and it makes great favors for your guests, for Christmas trees, for just giving out treats, for farewells, for birthday parties, for bridal showers, anything. These are so versatile, and I love them because of their versatility. For the lid, the piece of paper measures 4 1/8 inch square, and you're going to score it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. And this is the scoring that we need to do. There's nothing else that we need to score. And now we are going to fold these score lines, all 4 of them. I am in love with this paper collection, and I have a lot of projects coming in my mind which I intend to make with this collection of papers. So I'm going to fold the box as well, and then I'm going to cut these lines so that it takes the shape of the box. So for the box, to avoid bulk on 2 sides and making 2 sides flimsy, we are going to paste or reinforce all the 4 sides. Let me just show you through this lid as well. Over here you can see that I have pasted 2 of these flaps on one side, and these 2 are without any flaps. So this works for the lid but not for the base of the box, because it would get just pinched from 2 sides and would be sturdy on other 2 sides. So to balance it out, what we are going to do is we are going to cut from here and then rotate and then cut this line from here. So basically you're going to cut the right box, the right hand side box, and the score line which is facing you. So let me just take a little wedge off of it from here and over here from this side and like this, and then you rotate it and you're going to do the same on this side as well. So basically you are creating 4 tabs on all 4 sides, and then you're going to rotate it again and do the same. The other thing, or the other way which I have shown you on the lid, works for boxes which are bigger or are rectangular in shape. The smaller square boxes especially, or the cube boxes, it doesn't work for them. So this was the box and this is the lid. I'm going to cut it right now so that I can come to just sticking the sides down together. I just take a wedge off because it doesn't give bulk to the lid or the box itself. So just a tiny triangle you have to take off. Okay, I really need to change my scissors. I want something that is pointy and not like this. I hope this is going to make more sense now. So you can see the difference between the cutting of both. This is what I was talking about. So quickly I'm going to stick these sides, and for sticking I prefer glue. You can always use double-sided tape as well, but to give more strength to the box it is always advised to use liquid glue because it gives you room for wiggling as well. So this is how you're going to stick the box. So one side is going to stick here and the other one is going to stick with the next one, like so. I made a lot of these favors for an engagement party and they were super hit. I hadn't made them in all were not made in one color. They were all made in random different colors. So once they're all stuck or together, I'm just going to burnish them quickly so that they are all fixed on their place. Okay, so for the lid you're going to put glue on all these 4 tabs. So here you will see the difference in the attachment of these tabs. Like this. And like this. So your box is ready, and it is going to easily slide on top of the box. And over here is your other box. So you see how cute these are looking. To embellish this, I have used these cutouts which I already had, and these are from this sheet. I had 2 sheets of these. For the previous box, I had used this one, and for this box I'm going to use this die cut from here. Okay, so I'm going to punch a hole in this die cut in the middle of it, and I'm going to just take the ribbon, a good length of the ribbon, and I'm going to wrap this around the box tightly. Just make sure that it's very well wrapped around the box, and just flip it over. And after tying one single knot, I am going to feed this sentiment through the ribbon, and it's going to sit nicely over here. And once it is here, you can just settle it down according to your own choice, wherever you want it to face, and then just finish it off by tying a nice pretty bow. And there you go, your box is ready. And I'm pretty sure that you have liked this box, and you are going to make a lot of your own versions for Christmas, for Easter, for New Year, for your colleagues on the occasion of New Year, and whatnot. The possibilities are endless. Sure to tune in every day so that you get all the updates and new projects for the 6x6 series every day. Okay, so see you again soon. Take care. Bye.